Marine veterans shared their experience serving with Patrick McDowell during his sentencing trial in Nassau County today. McDowell could be given the death penalty after pleading guilty to murdering this Nassau County deputy Joshua Moyers back in 2021. News4JAX reporter Marilyn Parker joining us live. Marilyn, some of those former Marines, they were emotional on the stand.
Yes, they talked about being in Iraq. They were always in harm's way. That was the way they summed it up, never really at peace. But they also spoke very highly of Patrick McDowell. They said he was the best at his job, a good and nice, genuine person who was heavily relied on. They also talked about the realities of what they did. They also mentioned how coming home, it wasn't easy for them to just accept getting help. And they also talked about loss and losing their fellow Marines.
Is that Ryan Baker?
Yes, it is.
And what happened to Ryan Baker?
Ryan committed suicide.
And was that
He shot himself.
Was that years after the deployment to Iraq?
Yes, it was in 2016 or 2017.
Did it affect Patrick when you talked to him about it too?
We had just a couple conversations. I can't speak to the detail to which it affected him, but I know we were both very close with Ryan. He was his mentor in communications and close to him there.
Did you yourself suffer problems with adjusting to life after the Marines?
Yes, I've suffered through numerous issues with post-traumatic stress and issues that related to my time in the service.
And were you, at first, did you resist getting treatment for that, getting help for it?
Yes, you know, it's a community of alpha male attitudes where nobody wants to admit to a weakness, nobody wants to be seen as the person who can't survive there. You know, when you come out, there's numerous concerns you have about seeking mental health care that might get you labeled.
And remember, all of that is being used to build up McDowell's case. And I watched him during this part of testimony kind of put his hand over his face. During cross-examination, the prosecution made sure to mention that these former Marines all had prior deployments before being with McDowell. And while they were with McDowell during that deployment, they said there was no direct combat with the enemies or ever being struck by any IEDs. And here's how one of the former Marines described learning what McDowell did.
When you first heard about this crime that he committed, the murder of a police officer, is that something that you considered inconsistent with the Patrick McDowell that you knew?
100% inconsistent. I always considered him a protector and a high-value guy, you know, top-tier Marine. He's well-trained and great guy and one of my closest friends. And it really took me by storm. I assumed that there was drug usage or alcohol or something else involved because that was never the guy I knew.
So looking ahead to next week, the defense anticipates a full day of witness testimony on both Monday and Tuesday, possibly wrapping up on Wednesday. We'll be in court each of those days to bring you the latest. We're live at the Nassau County Courthouse. Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.
Marilyn, your work has been excellent on this case. Thanks so much. Folks, you can listen to the full testimony from McDowell's family and fellow Marines on news4jax.com. Scan that QR code you see on your screen. It'll take you directly to that article.